They advise that we should be extremely cautious in our management of forage fish fisheries on the grounds that the forage fish fisheries pose a potential threat to the predators higher in the trophic level. But what they didn't consider is that forage fish are a very important source of food supply, and that if we don't catch forage fish, we're going to have to make up that food by other sources that have much higher environmental costs. Forage fish provide some of the lowest environmental cost food in the world, low carbon footprint, no water use, lots of reasons that forage fish are a really environmentally friendly form of food. And to say that we should be extremely cautious in our harvesting of them because of concern that they might impact higher level predators really is a misapplication of the precautionary principle.
All four fish are major components of the trophic chain, and there has been a lot of concern regarding what's the impact of fisheries, not just in the population of forage fish, but what happens at higher trophic levels. How do marine mammals, larger fish or marine birds respond to fishing pressure of that important group of animals? And the Lenfest report was probably one of the biggest synthesis that has been done exploring ecosystem models around the world. And they gave some prescriptive guidelines on how these fisheries should be managed. When you review the actual models that were used, there are a few key elements on the biology of these animals that were not represented in those models. A is the natural variability. Those animals tend to fluctuate in abundance over decades, over years, and that was not actually used in their modeling approach. The other key factor that we think was missing was that predators usually select certain sizes. So you can have a population of animals, but predators may go to target specific sizes of that population. And we wanted to know what would happen if we include that kind of things in the analysis. So our approach was go there and look for empirical evidence of what is actually happening in the field.